Hello, hi, and welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are doing great and enjoying your lives. My dear friends, in this video, I am going to show you a very beautiful and pretty collection, and this crochet collection is called Crochet Fairy Queen Coats or Wraps. You can either call them Crochet Fairy Queen wraps, or you can call them Crochet Fairy Queen coats. All these are very good and so stylish because when we talk about winters, when we talk about cold and the winter season, freezing season, and all the time when we are too cold and we want something to give us some warm kind of feeling and cozy feeling, then we need some actually these kind of outfits that keep us warm, keep us feel like so cozy, and we feel comfortable wearing those outfits. Then we come to think about the outfits that are coats or jackets, jerseys, sweaters, cardigans, and so many other things like blazers and these things. But one thing that comes to my mind is that we have to ultimately wear something to keep us safe from the cold and all other things according to the seasons. Then why don't we go for the things that are stylish as well? Because we have to wear, it is inevitable that we have to wear something to keep us safe. Then why not we go for these kind of things that give us style along with comfort, that are useful, and at the same time they are making us look so stunning and stylish. So for all those beautiful ladies out there who are actually thinking the same as me, that they want to wear something that is at the same time stylish as well as elegant, comfortable, and at the same time is keeping them warm, then they must go for these crochet beautiful fairy queen wraps or coats because they are so stunning. Everyone who wears them looks so perfectly beautiful, and a different kind of look actually becomes when you wear these kind of wraps. And there are so many color patterns. You can go for the one that is the best for you, that you like the best, that suits you the best, because it varies from person to person, that our color choices are different. And sometimes it depends on our body shapes, that which thing looks us best, and sometimes it also depends on our color skin tones, that which kind of color would suit at this skin tone and at this skin tone. So all this varies from person to person and upon the choices as well. And the best thing is that you love to wear. If you love to wear something, it depends upon you that what are you going to go for. If you go for something in copying someone else and that thing or that color is not actually suitable for you, this goes wrong. You must go for the things that are actually good and suitable for yourselves, that you yourselves feel comfortable in. For example, this one is looking so stylish and so elegant, and it is entirely giving a fairy look. I am in love with this and I would love to actually wear this, and I hope everyone actually loves to wear these kind of dream dresses or dream wraps, because these are actually the dream of every girl and a woman, to wear these kind of dresses that give them a Cinderella and a fairy look and a queen look, and these are so stunning. So this is the time when you can go for these kind of wraps and coats by yourselves. If you are a crochet lover, you are crochet expert, and you love to do crocheting for your peace of mind, because crochet is something that gives us comfort, that gives us a relaxed kind of feeling, that actually keeps us away from the worries and so many overthinking type of habits, hypertension, and so many things that actually lead us to psychological illness kind of things. So crochet is a positive thing. Crochet is just love. For me, crochet is everything that gives us happiness. So this is the time when you are actually spending a free time at your homes due to lockdown. So I pray actually that this pandemic may soon over, and may Almighty protect all of us and keep all of us safe and secure, and we actually the life actually may return to normalcy very soon, and we feel the same happiness and the same things around us, because we are staying at home, we are getting bored, we are irritated, and so many other things. But still, we can't say that we don't have something to do. We can't say that we are so inactive and passive that we are not finding something to do and to indulge ourselves in some positive things. We can do so many things. We can actually style us, we can dress up in different beautiful ways even at home. And this is a tip for all of those who feel themselves tired and so kind of sad at home being alone. If they get ready in a beautiful way, they wear their actually favorite dresses and get ready, or try to do something creative, make things going for beautiful haircuts and all the kind of new dresses they try. This would be so cool for them, and they would be definitely enjoying themselves very good and very beautifully. I assure you that you would no more be alone and no more be sick and no more be feeling so sad. And let me request you, my dear friends, if you are liking this video, please hit like, and if you are watching me for the first time, I request you to please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. And subscribing to this channel is totally free. Some people ask me that is it free? So yes, it is free, and you don't have to pay any charges for subscribing to my channel. So these are the dresses and crochet fairy queen wraps and jackets that you can go for, and these are absolutely beautiful in absolutely beautiful colors and combinations. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to try any of these, or if you want to see some other collections. Till then, we will meet in another video. Please take care of yourselves and your families, and stay home and stay safe, and take care of everyone around you. Bye bye.